We're hanging out at the Indiana Design Center to get a preview of their Spring Design Open House. First stop today is Ferguson Bath, Kitchen, and Lighting Gallery. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm hanging out with Natalie Gerdeser in the Lighting Gallery. It's gorgeous in here. Hi, Natalie.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, and I cannot wait to hear about what's trending. What are you seeing?
So we are seeing an extension of the inside coming out. For example, you can see these crystal sconces. These are actually meant for outdoors now. You can perfectly use them inside, but it's now bringing that extension from inside out. We're seeing a lot of spaces that are like for entertainment outside that you used to just think of a ceiling fan. Now we're seeing large oversized chandeliers. We're seeing prettier sconces outside just to kind of glam it up and make it more entertaining.
Yeah, this is quite the upgrade from what I'm used to seeing outdoors.
Yes.
And I'm sure you're having new things coming all the time here.
We are constantly remodeling and showing all of our customers the newest and greatest trends. Another trend that we're seeing in the kitchen is all the cabinetry is going warmer and a lot of stained cabinets instead of just painted. So like those white and gray kitchens, they're still around, but it is not what people are trending towards right now.
Yeah, we're seeing a little bit more color there.
Yes, pops of color. Plumbing manufacturers are actually adding color as well. So we don't have a lot of that on the floor, but it's all come out like a KBIS, and we're excited to have that showcased as well.
Yeah, I love how you've described some of these accessories as the jewelry of the home.
So all of our clients think of the lighting as the jewelry of the home, and that is a really fun selection part of our process.
Natalie, if someone wants to take a look here and get more advice, what's the best way?
So they can feel free to call into our showroom or even visit our build.com website. You can book an appointment, or you can kind of browse to get ideas, and then you can come in as well without an appointment. We are open to everyone in the public.
Wonderful. Thanks for showing us around. Let's go check out the next showroom. We just saw all those gorgeous light fixtures, so let's talk renovations and decorating, and a perfect stop is Everything Home. I'm with Wendy Langston here. Hi, Wendy.
Welcome, Julian. We're delighted to have you.
So beautiful in here.
Thank you.
I want to talk about what you're seeing trend-wise, because look at this set. I'm thinking this is beautiful. This is an outdoor set.
I know. We are so excited with spring blossoming. This set just arrived, and all that you see here is rated for the outdoors. So everything from the rug to the coffee table to the sofas to the pillows, and this is really something that we're super excited about.
Wow, so you're really seeing a lot of luxury when it comes to the outdoor space.
Absolutely. Outdoor living has taken on a whole new energy in Indiana. Particularly, we're designing, adding additions, new construction. Everything is all about how we live outside. So we're taking the great room outside, and all of our manufacturers are able to bring these beautiful products to us.
Now, you really can help someone take a space from start to finish. What do you do?
Yes. So specifically, we are designers that renovate, which means that we design a space from concept, then we move it into our estimating process, and we're also a general contractor. So we're able to complete the vision based on what we have designed, and then at the end of the job, we can style it with furnishings if the client would be interested.
So you can take someone's dream and really bring it to life.
Yeah, really so. It's really exciting and very rewarding.
If someone wanted more information about anything you just covered, what's the best way?
Yeah, they can find us on our website, everythinghomedesigns.com.
Wonderful. Well, it's tough to leave this beautiful space right now, but I'll check out the next showroom and I'll see you later.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm hanging out with Jamie Anderson now with the Premier Group. Excited to talk about this because we are talking about entertaining outdoors, and this is the perfect spot to transform your space.
Right. It's so common these days for people to spend a lot of time and honestly a lot of money making their outdoor entertaining space just as important as their indoor. With the trend of huge glass these days, the indoor-outdoor living space really kind of flows together. So we like to focus on outdoor televisions, outdoor audio. A lot of people want really great music, but they might just, at the time, be setting a little speaker on their table. Well, guess what? When you're trying to have a conversation with your guests or your family, you're trying to speak over music, but then it's not loud enough, say, over by your pool or the yard. So we like to create an audio design outside where it's like Disney World. We do outdoor Wi-Fi as well, outdoor televisions, bug screens, you name it. So we just try to better the entertainment experience for families.
And the bug screen you mentioned, those are becoming more popular.
Very popular. So you can still be outdoors, enjoy the fresh air, but not have to worry about bugs, especially when you're eating or when you're sitting by the fire. at night you don't have to worry about any of those things.
Yes, and I love the way you guys make it look. The lighting, every little detail is a part of it.
Exactly. We really, really emphasize design. So we work closely with the homeowners, the interior designers, the architects, because we want to understand their vision, the homeowner's vision, and then that's where we come into play as the experts in our field, and we try to make sure that our equipment integrates seamlessly with the architectural design.
Jamie, if people want to find out more about anything that you just showed us, what's the best way?
Visit our website at premier-group.com.
Perfect, and this would be a perfect opportunity to stop by at the Indiana Design Center's Spring Design Open House. It's coming up this Thursday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and anyone is welcome to join. Open to the public. Hope to see you there.